Sa BPO4, like I said, marami itong mga key players, si Nina, si Remy, si Dulce, si Len, Salamat sa kanila dahil walang BPO4, walang BPO8. Sa BPO4, I know na ang mga tao very grateful. I know that. Pero sa BPO8, alam ko rin nagpapasalamat kayo, pero hindi ako papayag na walang kapalit. So, tonight, I'm gonna ask 3 things from you. And I'll tell you later about those 2 things. You know what? Reunions, kung napapansin ninyo, di ba, sa edad, sorry. Nowadays, kapag pumunta tayo sa restaurant, you look around, ilang tao lang doon ang mas matanda kaysa sa atin. Kailan lang. Pumunta ka sa simbahan, it's the same thing. Pumunta ka sa supermarket, it's the same thing. One good thing about reunion is that you look to your left, you look to your right, you know very well that this person is either 60 or 59. Walang question. We have a few 58 here, pero ilang tulog na lang yan, 59 na yan. So that's the good thing about reunions. And then also, ang hirap na reunion, just like in BPO4, I remember, nung pagpasok ko dun sa cultural center, meron nag-attend for the first time, ang sabi ka agad sa akin, buti ka pa, wala kang puting buhok. Agad sabi, buti ka pa, buti lang ang puting buhok mo. Katitina ko lang that morning, so I didn't know what to say. So sabi niya po, konti lang daw puting buhok. So sabi ko na lang, okay na miss pa ako. Kaya, pero maraming mga bati na nakakakuha sa reunion, like, ang hindi ko siguro makakalimutan, may mga bati like, hindi ka nagbago, ganun pa rin. But you can take that one of 2 ways, right? I mean, 4th year high school ka pa lang, wala ng 59, or, So anyway, it's really fun, and the first thing that I really want to ask from you is, yung program natin sa bawat event, what's designed to be short, dahil we would like to provide or to give you more time for bonding and reminiscing. Doon naman sa Manila Hotel, we would like to give you as much time sa pagsasayaw because we know that's what you want. We have a very, very good band. Lady Valerie, I'm sure alam niyo yun. Kaya, we're not going to, take away unnecessary, unnecessarily from you.